it's Modesty and welcome back to my channel. I want to welcome you guys to my official annual 25 days of Christmas. So if you've never been to my channel before, then you probably don't know what my 25 days of Christmas is. But what it is I do a video a day on this channel for 25 days from December 1st to December 25th. I do Vlogmas on my vlog channel, link below, from December 1st to December 25th. And then on my Facebook page, which you guys should be a part of, or a Facebook group, I do a live video, a little bit in my life slash pre-recorded video. It's a little bit more intimate kind of way, but I do more chatty, like it's more chill, it's more relaxed, and I show different products on every single thing, so you definitely want to be checking all of them out. It is a ton of content all the way through the month of December, so that is what my 25 days of Christmas is, and today is day one. Everyone is Christmas shopping right now, so I decided that I should start it out with a bang with my current slash November beauty favorites. I have so much stuff to show you guys. It's kind of ridiculous, but I've just been trying out so many different new things that I just so much good stuff is coming. There's been a lot of bad things coming out, but there's been a lot of good things, and we're gonna be sharing those with you today. I'm gonna be starting this out with my number one favorite out of all my favorites, which is the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Palette. Oh my gosh, if you guys have not tried this out, you are literally missing out on probably the best eyeshadow formula out there. It's freaking phenomenal. I almost don't want to like swatch it all because I'm like, I don't want to waste it because it's sold out. Ugh. I love the layout. I love the idea that she has 6 color stories that work with every skin tone, but she has the same color story. I love the whole idea behind it, and really what gets me the most about the palette are two things. One is going to be the pressed glitters. The pressed glitters are incredibly tricky. They are either super chunky and fall out everywhere, they don't stay, or you can't apply it with a brush. She nailed the pressed glitter formula, and it's phenomenal. I'm just gonna show a couple of them for you. She somehow, this one's like duochrome. It's beautiful. So this one is Aura in the Glitter Story. Oh, and I want to show you guys Memory as well because that is phenomenal. Which I'm gonna be probably doing a thanks or New Year's Eve makeup look. Oh, yes. New Year's Eve makeup look using those glitters. And another thing that she completely nailed in this palette is going to be the sequins. I've never come across a formula like the sequins. I've come across, pressed glitters, I've come across metallics, I've come across, mattes. Poet is a really pretty one for sure. Oh, so pretty. Aura is stunning. They're all just so pretty. Aura is definitely gonna be more of like a cream, like the less, I guess, sparkly one, but it still is super pretty. And then Story is stunning. They're all so good. And then the sequence in Memory is incredible as well. I love that one. She has nailed the mattes as well, but I've come across good mattes before, but those 2 points in this palette are really where I'm just like, yes. But the last 2 eyeshadow things is actually one formula but 2 shades. This is the Moodstruck Liquid Shadow. These are from YOUNIQUE. These are phenomenal. Liquid shadows, I have a few that I love, but these ones are the most beginner user friendly ones. I'll show you like what I love so much about these is of course they're very buildable, which I like, but what I like most is how easy they are to blend out into mattes. So I'm just gonna show you. I have one of them right here in the shade Ornate, and you can just literally blend it out so easily with a fluffy brush, which is not usually something you can do with a shimmer liquid eyeshadow. And it just blends out beautifully. Look at that. And it's still just so gorgeous. It is just so pretty. Oh, come on, focus. It's super duper pretty. So I just want to show you guys these really quickly. You can actually get them on my website. I'll have a link to it down below. But let's move on away from eyeshadow. Well, other than eyeshadow primer, I've been loving the Anastasia one. I'm not gonna say too much about it. Everyone loves this one. It's very similar to the P. Louise base, but I've really been liking this one as well. I'm gonna talk to you guys about some face products, and we'll do lip products last because there's a lot of them. Really, it's been like huge in foundations for me. I've found probably my top 3 foundations. Yeah, I freaking love these ones, and I'm excited to share them with you. But first, I'm gonna share with you guys the Smashbox Primer Oil. If you want a drugstore option for this, which I'm actually wearing right now, it's gonna be the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Multi-Use Oil. This is definitely a really good drugstore version of it, but the one that I've been really liking because it's new to me, I've been using this for a long time, is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil. I have been so incredibly dry since I moved to Hawaii. I didn't realize I was dry because I wasn't like getting flakes on my skin, but my skin has just been so dehydrated that any sort of like matte foundation just, ugh, my skin's, it doesn't look good on me. Like the Estee Lauder Double Wear, I don't like that one anymore. Just my skin hates Hawaii, and this has really helped me out in the foundation department. I use this before my makeup, I use it after my makeup to like really just set everything in. Again, I didn't use it today, but just to show you, I'll just kind of tap it in everywhere. The Jaclyn Hill thing that she showed us, I know that she didn't create it, but that's who I saw it from. But I've been loving this, and I love how it smells. I think it has not tea tree oil. What am I thinking of? Not jojoba oil. I'm not sure, but if I was to smell it, I would know. Anyway, so I've really been liking that as like a primer. And then another primer I've been really loving is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty. This is like the drugstore version of the Tatcha one that everyone is obsessed with. But I'm being honest with you, I've tried both. I actually like the e.l.f. one much better. I just find it easier to press in the skin and to like blend out. Like I feel like I have to use so much of the Tatcha one. I don't know. I like the e.l.f. one better. It's more affordable and I like it. Okay, so next we're gonna be talking about foundations, the 3 that I've just been obsessed with. I'm so obsessed with this one in the past few months that I have to open up a new can. This is a Unique Touch Spray Foundation. You guys, this thing is thebomb.com. It's the most weightless foundation on planet Earth, I think, and I've tried some really lightweight foundations, you guys. This is incredible. I think I showed you guys before if you have been following me, but you'll see this more in detail on my Facebook group if you want to like see it, you know, demoed out. But oh my gosh, you guys, it's so full coverage. It lasts so long. You don't have to set it with powder. I love it. It's freaking incredible. I just like to spray it on my kabuki brush and tap it into my skin. It's buildable. It's just so good. I love it. It's my baby, and you can clearly see that it's almost empty. So another foundation I've been loving when I want, like, you know, if I'm okay with it looking like I'm wearing foundation, is the Smashbox Studio Skin. This is really nice, incredibly full coverage, like one squirt and it's all over your face. Like goes a super long way, and it's matte, but it does not dry out your skin, which I love. It's so good. I love it so much. And I'm definitely gonna be repurchasing this one when this is almost gone. I'm currently in the shade 2.3 light medium, undertone warm. This one is super nice. I know it took me so long to try it, but I do love this one. The third foundation, this one shocks me, you guys. I will put a link to it down below, both links down below. I tried out the Juvias Place matte foundation, and you guys, if you saw that video, you know how much I despise that one. And I even tried it with the Smashbox thing, and I still didn't like it because I was determined to like that foundation and just didn't. I felt like I was the only one who didn't like it. And then they came out, it was so dry. Then they came out with a stick, and I was like, oh Lord, have mercy on my life. I was not gonna try it if it wasn't a stick. But I love stick foundation, so I was like, okay, well, I have to give it a go. To be totally honest, when I first tried it out, I wasn't a fan, but I'm thinking it was the primer I used, because then I tried it again with other primers, and I actually really like it. Now, is it my favorite out of those 3? No. But it's definitely one I've been reaching for multiple times when I just want to look a little bit more dewy. I want to use a stick foundation. I do actually like this. It is not full coverage by any means, but it is buildable. You can build it up to a high medium. So it starts at medium, you can build it to a high medium, but you don't want to do more than a second layer of this, because then it will start to cake up. It can become a lot really quick. But I've actually been really liking it. I'm in the shade Manila, and I think it's really comfortable to wear. I do notice by the end of the day, it has like settled in my fine lines, but that's pretty standard for me. But yeah, I really do like this one. Again, the Juvias Place Stick Foundation in the shade Manila. All right, the last face product, it's 2 items, but it's 1 item. It's the KKW contouring sticks, the light medium and the medium highlighter. I actually really enjoy these. I needed a little bit of practice because I wasn't used to working with a contour shade that was so dark. But then I've noticed when I mix it with like the bronzing side, when I do all 3, like just do a smidge of the super dark contour with the bronzing over top, it's absolutely beautiful. What I love about these is how creamy they are. I'm really more sold on the formula of this. I really don't think something this dark is as necessary for medium skin tone, but I have been making it work and I really love it. But I love the formula. And then in the highlighter side, the matte highlight side, you guys, it's like the most pigmented like highlight that is like, it truly brightens certain areas. I love the shade. It has the perfect amount of pink in it without actually looking pink. So you guys have seen me talk about this highlighter before. The only reason I'm mentioning it is because since I've been doing the oil trick, I've been even more obsessed with this highlighter. This is the Essence Pure Nude highlighter, and I did just see, I had this like literally all over my face. I did just see that they launched a ton of other shades, which I am in. I'm gonna order all of them, you guys, because I love the formula. Like, you guys do not have to buy Hourglass if you guys use this, because I've used both side by side and I don't notice a single difference, and this is only like $5. I support Hourglass. I love their makeup, but I'm serious, you guys, you don't need Hourglass if this shade works for you. It is just the perfect non-shimmery highlight. It's just luminous and beautiful. You can literally put it everywhere, and I love it. So even though you guys have seen this a million times, I wanted to mention it because I've legit been using this every single day. This is just quickly, this is the Makeup Forever brow gel in the shade 35. I really like this because I've been really into the more like fluffier brows, as you can see, and this has the brow fibers in it, so it's going to give them more of a fluffy look, which, you know, if you're not into that look, you might not like this brow gel. My only complaint is how long the wand is. I wish it was like half the size, and dude, I would probably never use another brow gel, but I do love the fibers in it. I love how it makes my brows look, and I love the undertone of this shade because I do have more ashy brows, and if I use a brow liner that's a little bit more warm, this helps cancel it out so it doesn't look too warm on me. So I've really been enjoying this one. I actually need to go in with a little bit. I have not set my brows today, and I did use a warmer brow pencil, so I just kind of want to go through it a little bit, but I've really been liking this one a lot as well. And the last item before the lip product is going to be the Sonia KASHUK Quick Clean Brush Cleaner. You guys, I don't need to say too much about this. It cleans it well, it smells good, it doesn't get water everywhere because it's a dry spray. I have used like the other like quick clean ones, but this really does the trick the best out of all of them. It doesn't leave it feeling oily or anything like that, and it dries in seconds. It's not as quick as the Cinnamon Secrets, but this is more readily affordable and available. So just want to let you guys know that I have been enjoying this one a lot more than ones that I have been using. This again is the Sonia KASHUK Quick Clean Dry Brush Spray, and it's an aerosol can. You can get this at Target, bottom shelf. All right, last but not least, let's move on to the lip products. All of these are gonna be in the same family color essentially, because you guys look, hey, it's been fall, it's now the holidays, lots of brownish reds, lots of reds, few nudes. Let's get into it. I want to start out with like the bright reds, and we'll go boom. Okay, so first off, the Morphe one, when I want a more, how do I describe this? Like brighter red, and this is more like deeper, but when I want a more brighter red, like when I just have mascara on, this is a really pretty color. You can clearly see a difference in the reds. This is definitely more of like a pop of color. Instead of, I would not wear this with a smoky eye at all. I'd probably wear this with basically bare eyes and just like a pop of color on the lips to make them look nice and full and colorful. Like if I'm wearing sunglasses, no other makeup, just pop something on so I look somewhat put together. This is my go-to for that one. It's really nice. I love this one a lot. A more true blue tone red is the Juvias Place one in the shade Afric. It is a matte liquid lip, and is a true blue toned red. Like you can't get more true red than that one. Now the issue with true reds is depending on your skin tone, it can pull more pink, or it can pull more blue, or it can pull more brown. I have to be very careful with the lip liner I use with these because True Reds do pull more pink on me. I don't know why, because I do have a very olive undertone, but they do pull more pink on me, just as a forewarning. So usually when you guys see me wearing this, if it looks very True Red, trust me, I put a brown lip liner underneath. But I do love the formula of this. It's super just vibrant. It's essentially like a dupe for what I'm wearing right now. What I'm wearing right now is actually like a lipstick, but I do like this one a lot. Another one I've really been liking for like the holiday season is going to be the Kylie Cosmetics Mary Jo K. You guys, this is pretty. It's very similar to the Juvias Place one, but it's just a little bit more red in it. They're very similar. They're almost identical, but this one just, it's a little bit more red. This one has just probably a smidge of purple in it. It's true blue underneath, but just a hint of purple. This is like straight up red. And that's why I've been liking it. I especially love the lip liner that comes with it because it's like a really good true red lip liner. But I've really been liking these when I want a red lip. And then when I want my more brown undertone reds, this Makeup Forever Artist Nude Cream Lipstick in the shade Undraped, number 11. This one's really pretty. This is like a brick red. Lots of brown in it, but it still can be in the red family. So when I'm feeling a little bit more edgy, I will definitely pop this one on. And even though it's a cream with a little bit of shine to it, it stays forever. I don't know how they managed that one, but it legit stays forever, and I ain't complaining about that. All right, 4 more. I finally tried out Jeffree Star Liquid Lipsticks formula. Do I have a full-size one? No. Did I order a bunch of those little holiday, not holiday, but the bundles here with Morphe? Yes, I did, because you get some of the actual Jeffree Star ones in it. So I've been obsessed with all 4 of these, and I love this formula. Why it took me so long to try it, I don't know, but I'm sold. This one is Red Rum. I am obsessed with this one. It's, again, another true red. Love it. And then one I've been wearing probably the most is going to be Unicorn Blood, because again, I do prefer the more brown undertone reds. This one has more brown, this one has more red, but it still has that brown brick undertone. And then also Leo, you guys, is stunning. It's definitely a good, like, I would say everyday shade for me, because I don't like anything being too nude. This is more like a good, like, just everyday nude for me that isn't super light. And then I like to use the shade Mannequin as like a highlight shade. So like sometimes, like if I want a little bit of juiciness, I will take a Leo and then I'll just take a Mannequin on the very center, go like that, and then I'll have a nice like ombre effect without being like super obvious. So it'll just kind of make my lips look more full. So yeah, you guys, that is it for my favorites. Those are things that I've just been obsessed with recently, that you'll probably see me using a ton throughout the holiday seasons and all these 25 videos I'm posting. But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna be starting my 5 days of top 5s. Now with these top 5s, it will be 5 drugstore, 5 non-drugstore, because I can't choose just 5. So yeah, stay tuned for the next 5 days. I wanted my first 6 days of this to be lots of favorites. If you guys need gift ideas or splurge on yourself ideas, I really wanted to dedicate like the first week to favorites, you know, what I like, what I don't like, and things like that. So check out tomorrow's top 5s, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys have been enjoying recently in the comments so I can add things to try out. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are looking forward to my 25 days of Christmas. I know I am. I have a huge calendar. I'm booked out, so I love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mwah. Bye.